Hello, welcome back to Uncle Al's Barbecue. Today I'm gonna make a Carmel iced coffee. When you need that little pick you up in the afternoon and just want a sweet tasting coffee cold drink, but you don't want to go anywhere, well, you can just do it at your home. Right now I'm gonna start out with just some Folgers. Classic roast, made that in a little Keurig thing. And here's my cup of coffee there. Now I did make the coffee and I let it rest in the refrigerator about 30 minutes. So there's a cup of coffee. Then I'm going to put in a little bit of milk. Then we're going to put on in just a dash of vanilla. And then we're going to put on in some caramel. All right. Now all we got to do right here is stir it all together. Give it a little taste. Now, depending on how strong you want your coffee, is how much milk you want in there. I'm gonna put just a little bit more milk in there. And just a tad more caramel. And that's why you do the taste, folks. You gotta taste the way you like it. Some people want it like a candied coffee, and you'd be dumping you a lot of caramel in there. So just mix it on up. Get you one more taste. Oh yeah. There we all. Then get your ice. And put it on in your coffee. And there you go. Carmel ice coffee. Doesn't get much easier than that. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, one more time. Oh yeah, I didn't need to go to the store and waste $10 on that. All right, folks. I hope you enjoyed the little video. Something different. And don't be scared to hit that subscribe button, man. If you be liking what I'm telling you.